Have you ever asked an AI tool for help and it felt like the answer just missed the mark? The secret to getting better results is how you ask it. That's where prompt engineering comes in. Prompt engineering is the skill of communicating effectively with these large language models. These are AI systems that generate text, ideas, and even solutions. By learning a few simple techniques, you can guide these tools to give you clear, accurate, and useful results. So let's start with the basics. A prompt is just the set of instructions you give to an AI. The more precise and structured your prompt, the better the outcome's gonna be. For example, instead of saying, write about climate change, you could say, write a 200-word summary of the main causes of climate change. Focus on human activity and write for a high school audience. Notice how with this second prompt, you're giving details about length, scope, and audience. That's the power of clarity. Another key strategy is the context. Large language models work best when they know exactly what role they should play. For example, you might say, act as a career coach and suggest 3 ways to improve my resume for a project management role. By setting the role, you help the AI tailor its response. Iteration is also going to be important. Rarely will your first prompt give you the perfect answer, so think about prompting as more of a conversation. If the first response isn't quite right, refine your request. Say, that's helpful, but can you make it more concise? Or give me an example in plain language. Step by step, you can shape the output until it fits your needs. You can also use prompts to structure creativity and problem solving. For example, ask the AI to generate multiple perspectives. Say, give me 3 different ways a startup could market a new health app, with pros and cons for each. This kind of prompt not only sparks ideas, but organizes them in a way you can use right away. And here's a bonus tip. Formatting matters. If you want a list, a table, or step-by-step instructions, say so in your prompt. For instance, create a comparison table of 3 cloud security certifications in India showing cost, duration, and career outcomes. The AI will then follow your structure, saving you even more time. Sometimes the best answers come when you ask the AI to think step by step. This is called guiding its chain of thought. For example, instead of asking, what's the best way to reduce company costs? You might say, walk me through the step-by-step reasoning of 3 strategies a company could use to reduce costs, and include the risks and benefits of each. By encouraging reasoning, you get a more detailed and logical answer. Another useful technique is negative prompting. This is telling the AI not only what you want, but what to avoid. For example, you could say, write a product description for a fitness app that is engaging and professional, but avoid technical jargon and slang. This helps eliminate results that don't fit your goals and keeps the response on track. Finally, one of the strongest ways you can help guide AI is by showing it what you do want. You can do this by providing examples. For instance, you could say, here's an example of a social media post, quote, stay strong today, fuel your body with healthy choices. Now, write 3 more posts in the same style for a wellness brand. Examples like this act as a blueprint so the AI can mirror the tone, structure, and style that you're looking for. Prompt engineering is about more than just asking questions. It's about directing the AI to be a collaborator in your work. Whether you're drafting emails, brainstorming ideas, studying for an exam, or even managing a project, effective prompting can make your workflow smoother, faster, and smarter. If you want to sharpen your skills even further, explore courses on Coursera to learn how to use AI tools effectively and stay ahead in today's AI-powered workplace.